Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of WhenWearHow Lifestyle with me, your host Tiffany, all about red lip fashion. But this time it is your favorite bartender, Tiffany the bartender, coming back to you with another great drink video. Quick tip. So if you are if you're a drinker but you're not really a dark drinker. So me, I personally am a dark drinker. I like to put hair on my chest, so I like to drink dark liquor. I feel like light liquor gets me in trouble. I'm not really here for it. So if you are, if you're really not a dark drinker and, but you're out with friends and you want to impress, or you're out on a date and you want to impress and just show that you can kind of, just drink a little bit of dark, but still look cute, keep you cool, I have a trick for you. So me personally, I like sweet drinks because I just like sweets. I don't like sweets, but I like sweet drinks. So what I like to do, in a quick, easy way for you, if you're not a dark drinker, to be able to tolerate it and drink it because it's very strong, is to kind of sweeten it up a little bit. So I'm gonna show you a quick, easy little recipe that I came up with. Because a lot of my friends, they don't really they like sweet drinks. So usually when they come to my house, I make them sweet stuff. It usually gets them a little drunk faster. So what I like to do, so this time what I'm doing here is I'm using a bourbon, a Kentucky bourbon, Evan Williams. It's good. I know a lot of people usually use Jack or whatever, but I actually like Evan Williams. It's a little sweeter and a little drier, so I kind of like it like that. So what I'm using here, and this is a brand new bottle that I am going to crack just for you guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to mix it, but the trick is what I'm going to mix it with is actually a great sweet liqueur called Germain. So it's actually really good. It's a elderflower liqueur. So it's very sweet, but very light, if that makes any sense. So it's not like a heavy syrup. It's a very light sweetener, which is really good, and you can use it in light and dark. But I've noticed that with dark, it kind of takes that hot, hair on your chest feeling out of the dark liquor, so that you'll be able to tolerate it and kind of drink it a little faster than sipping really slow. So what I'm doing here is, and I actually like to drink my dark liquor neat, which means no ice. But I will put ice in my mixer just to kind of chill it up a little bit, right? So, and that's a trick for you guys too. So what I'm doing, I'm sorry guys, I don't measure, I just pour. So what I'm doing here is I'm pouring some of my Evan, some of my bourbon in here. And then I'm going to pour some of my Saint Germain. It's very, oh my gosh, and it smells so good. It smells like elderflower. So you pour a little bit. You don't need too much because it's sweet. I'm going to put this on here. And this is my electric guy, so I just let my electric guy do all the work while we talk over the electric ice that's going around in there. But I just want to mix it up a little bit, just so that those flavors can make love. And then we're gonna pour it into my cup. Ooh, you see how that pours? It sounds great. It sounds so good, and it smells really good. So normally, when you drink neat, this is how it looks. You don't put a lot because that's not the plan is to have a little bit and look sexy. So cheers, toast to you. Amazing. Goes down smooth, so you can keep talking, you can enjoy your drink, you can look sophisticated and just be, and they be like, you drinking dark? Oh girl, so you drinking dark? Like, yes girl, I'm drinking dark today. Ain't no light liquor in here, honey. But yes, so that's a quick little trick that I like to do, guys, Ooh, and it doesn't burn going down because that elderflower just takes care of everything and it just feels so smooth. So if you like what you see, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to watch any of my other drink videos. I will come back to you with another drink video. I actually want to do, I have a request for a video with what was the request? Oh, a peach Bellini recipe. So I will come back to you with my very own peach Bellini recipe. That's so amazing, so good. You know, a girl loves champagne. That's my weakness, champagne and dark liquor. You would think that I'm a sloppy drunk, but I'm actually not. I'm a very responsible drunk. So guys, thank you for watching. Definitely, if this is your first time, click subscribe and come back and see me again. Bye.